Marketing is the lifeblood of any business, the bridge that connects you to your audience. It's not just about selling a product or service, it's about creating a relationship, a bond that lasts. It's how you connect with your people. It's how you make them feel valued and understood. In today's world, it's more important than ever to be authentic and genuine in your approach. It's how you build your brand. It's how you win. A strong brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's a promise to your customers, a commitment to quality and consistency. But guess what? The game's changed. Big time. The pace of change is faster than ever, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. Remember billboards and radio ads? They were the kings of marketing back in the day. They had their time and place, and they were effective. Yeah, those are old school. They laid the foundation for what we have today, but the landscape has evolved dramatically. Don't get me wrong, they still work, but the future? It's all about AI. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing marketing. It's making it smarter, more efficient, and incredibly precise. Think smarter, faster, and way more effective. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. This ain't science fiction, folks. This is happening right now, and it's transforming the way we do business. This is the real deal. Companies that embrace AI are seeing incredible results, from increased engagement to higher conversion rates. And trust me, you got to keep up or get left behind. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to embrace it? But before we jump right in, please take a moment and subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. Traditional marketing? Think flyers, TV spots, cold calls. These methods have been around for decades, and while they have their place, they come with significant drawbacks. You're putting in a lot of effort and money, but the results are often unpredictable. You're casting a wide net, hoping to catch a few fish. It's like trying to catch fish in the ocean with a net that has holes. You might get a few, but most will slip through. The same goes for traditional marketing. You might reach some potential customers, but many will be missed. The problem is it's expensive and you're never quite sure who you're reaching. You spend thousands on campaigns, but the return on investment is often unclear. You might be reaching people who have no interest in your product at all. You're guessing, hoping for the best. It's like rolling the dice and crossing your fingers, hoping that your message lands with the right audience. But hope isn't a strategy, and in today's competitive market, you need more than just luck. Onpassive's AI marketing, it's like having a laser focus. Imagine being able to target your ideal customer with pinpoint accuracy. No more wasted efforts, no more guessing games. This AI, it learns about your ideal customer. It analyzes data, understands behaviors, and builds a comprehensive profile of who your perfect customer is. It's like having a marketing team that works 24/7, never taking a break. It knows their every move online. From the websites they visit to the products they show interest in, this AI tracks it all. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what your customers are looking for. Imagine this. Someone's browsing online showing interest in your product. Onpassive's AI sees it. It detects this interest and knows exactly when to strike. It targets them with personalized ads at the perfect time. Boom, sales. No more guessing games. Your ads are seen by the right people at the right time, leading to higher conversion rates and increased sales. You're hitting bullseyes every time. With Onpassive's AI marketing, you're not just playing the game, you're mastering it. Every campaign is precise, every dollar spent is effective, and every customer reached is a potential sale. Let's talk numbers. Traditional marketing, it's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. Maybe you get lucky, maybe you don't. AI marketing, it's like having a money printing machine. Okay, maybe not literally, but close. Studies show AI-powered campaigns have way higher conversion rates. Why? Because you're talking directly to the people who actually care about your product. Less wasted effort, more bang for your buck. Who doesn't love that? Section 4. AI marketing, magic benefits you can't ignore. AI marketing isn't just about targeting, it's about personalization. Imagine a world where every interaction feels tailor-made for you. It's about giving your customers a unique experience. Each touchpoint is crafted to meet their specific needs and desires. Imagine this. Someone visits your website. They feel like the site was designed just for them. The AI remembers their past purchases, their preferences. It's like having a personal shopper who knows exactly what you want. It recommends products just for them. That's next-level customer service. This level of personalization can significantly boost customer satisfaction and loyalty. Plus, AI can automate your marketing tasks, from email campaigns to social media posts. Everything can be streamlined. No more spending hours on repetitive stuff. Automation frees up your time for more creative and strategic work. Let the AI handle it while you focus on the big picture. You can dedicate your energy to innovation and growth. More time, less stress, better results. Your team can achieve more with less effort. That's the power of AI. Embrace it and transform your marketing strategy today. Section 5. The future of marketing is here. Look, the marketing world is changing fast. Traditional methods, they're not going away completely, but AI is the future, plain and simple. Onpassive's AI marketing is a game changer. It's smarter, more efficient, and delivers killer results. Don't be afraid to embrace the future. Take the leap and watch your business soar. Remember, in the game of marketing, the early bird gets the worm. And with AI on your side, you're holding all the cards. For more information about Onpassive and how to make money while online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.